Hi, everyone. Once again, we had another great day in the stock market. I have to be honest with everyone. This is the kind of uptrend that I'm used to. This feels fun again. For the first time in a while, 2013 was very, very good to us, better than the overall market. 2014 is turning into a really, really, really good year, especially knowing how much we're beating the trend following hedge fund winners or Wizards, excuse me. But the best news is just that it's just fun again, and it's been a while since it feels fun. And what's good news about that is that we still don't even have the Russell 2000 at new 52-week highs, and it's been the leader lately. But today's breakout was a follow through to the handle breakout yesterday, so that's perfect. The 1183 close is still below the 1188, 1192 resistance level in April, so I'm not going to take any of the SRTY hedge off. However, we did start a hedge in SQQQ about, what was that, 4 days ago, just in case, because we were at the upper trend line on the indexes, and they like to pull back to the lower trend line. It was not the case this time. So with it closing at 44.76, I believe that's at the lower day of this base of 44.78. Yes, so SQQQ is a full sell. Our only other sell was NGL. NGL gapping down big on extremely heavy volume, and if you remember, we went ahead and took 20% off the table on the 16th. And if you look at the partial sell comments in the forums, you will see that on the short term it was very extended, well above its upper bound price range. So that turned out to be a very prudent sell, as the gap down and bad close on huge volume max red bop is not good. However, this stock is still trending above its 20-day moving average. It's not a full sell. If it continues to sell up below the 20-day moving average, it will be a full sell. I will not hold it to the 50-day moving average, especially in this market with so many winning stocks. So that's a 50% sell. Tonight, there's tons of stocks making moves, and if you're not long, you can take the signals, because something that I didn't learn early enough post 2008 is that the most important thing is the Fed. There's nothing more important in the market. If the Fed's cutting rates and you get a follow through day in the stock market with leading stocks moving, you go long. If the Fed's hiking rates and the yield curve's inverting, you get ready for a bear market. We had an inverted yield curve in 2000. We had an inverted yield curve in 2007. The 2002 bear market and 2008 bear market have been terrible. Since the lows in 2008, our yield curve has steadily been totally proper the entire time. From 2008 2014, it's a steady low short-term rates, higher long-term rates. Until that curve flattens out or the Fed starts hiking rates, it doesn't matter if QE is ending or not. If interest rates are favorable and still that low in the United States Treasury market, people are going to go to the stock market, or the people with the money. Hence, corporate buybacks. And despite the extremely low VIX and high bulls, we continue to hit new highs. That's because there is no other option besides real estate. And on that note, look at what the VIX did today. Pretty ugly, huh? But who cares? And who cares whenever you got stocks like GLOG? This is an excellent signal right here. I'm fully tapped out, so I'm looking for beta. If you're not tapped out, this is a 5% signal GLOG, so 5% of the account can go into that. STZ is also breaking out to a new high on a pocket pivot point signal. SLXP is breaking out. We had Prudential Securities give a pocket pivot point signal. IPO AAOI pocket pivot point signal right off the 50-day moving average. So we got a lot of quality moves again. The only long I'm taking, though, is going to come from this little sector. If you look at Plug, you look at FCell, the fuel cell sector, and then you also look at ARTX. Did not participate today, so what's the other one? Brain, BLDP, my brain is not working. BLDP, FCell, and everything. The one stock I'm taking is ZBB. Why? Because since Momo is short-term working right now, even though biofuel and MVIS did not follow through immediately today from their ad signals on MVIS and Bison on BioF, momentum stocks are clearly working small price. Since I have less than 1% of my account capital, I'm going to flood that into this one, hoping that I can't get another February to March move. in this one. And why I like this one more than the others is just because Plug's up 17%, BLDP is up 16%. Fuel Cell is nice, only up 5%, but if you look at that technical pattern, it doesn't look as strong as ZBB. ZBB's got some big accumulation bars off the lows in May, where Fuel Cell doesn't. So that's why I'm picking ZBB. This is going to be my long position. Like I said, if I had cash available, GLOG 5%, AAOI 5%, ZBB 1% still, just because it's such a low price stock. So that's it. Have a great Thursday, everyone.